Okay, so this is how to use this chart for multiplication. So say the question is like 5 times 9. It doesn't make sense to add 9 together 5 times or 5 together 9 times. So the chart would make it easier. First we have to find our first number. So since the equation is 5 times 9, we have to find 5 because it's the first number on the top. And then times 9. But you can do it both ways. So you can find 5 here and then 9. It's the same answer. And then you have to drag it, make lines with your hand. And you have to look for where they both meet. And they both meet at 45, which means that 5 times 9 is 45. Let's try another one, but this time we're going to use this side first. So say the question is 7 times 8. First use this side, 7, and use this side, 8. But so the thing is, you can use it both ways. You get the same answer. And then we drag lines. When you make these lines with your hand, and then they both meet at 56. But what happens if we do it the other way? So if we get 7 first, think about it, what happens? Okay, so if we do that, then that means 7 and 8. You get the same answer, which is still 56. And that's pretty much how you use this chart.